Welcome to Home Chef, and I'm Khan. Making a nice, yummy frothy coffee at home is so simple. For that, we need few basic ingredients like coffee, milk, sugar, and hot water. So let's get started to make our nice frothy coffee. I took 1.5 teaspoon of coffee. I took Nescafe coffee, and I pour 2 tablespoons of sugar in it. You can add according to your taste. In a bowl and give it a put 1 tablespoon of hot water in it and give it a good stir for a couple of minutes, and you will see this getting in a nice shape. And after that, you add 1 more tablespoon of hot water in it, so you will see it's getting like a nice syrup. So that's nice yummy syrups. That's beautiful. And now we're gonna pour this nice our coffee syrup into our cup, and we boiled 300 ml of milk, and once it's boiled, just give it a bit good whisk in it to create a nice froth in it. And after that, it's very simple. Just nicely, be careful, just pour the frothy milk into your cup nicely, and your delicious frothy coffee is pretty much ready. Now you can give a good whisk to the milk which you boiled before and create a nice froth in it. And when it's become nice frothy, then simply you just need to pour into your cup gently like this. And your frothy coffee is ready to enjoy. And if you want to get a little fancy, you can put design on your cup of coffee. If you like my coffee, please consider subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. And thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.